Welcome back to Clearspeak Lab. Active and passive voice is a topic that many students confuse, but it is one of the easiest way to score points in any competitive or school exam. In today's class, I am going to teach you the one golden formula to convert any sentence from active to passive voice in 5 seconds. If you want to master basic grammar concepts clearly, hit that subscribe button right now and let's write down the rule. Let's look at a simple sentence. The cat chased the mouse. In this sentence, the subject doing the action is the cat. The verb is chased and the object receiving the action is the mouse. This structure, subject plus verb plus object, is called the active voice. Now, how do we convert this to passive voice? You just follow a 3-step switch. First, move the object, the mouse, to the front of the sentence. 2. Identify the tense of the verb. Chased is in the past tense. For example, for past tense passive, our fixed formula is was or were plus the third form of the verb V3. 3. Place the original subject, the cat, at the end using the word by. Let's apply the steps. Active, the cat chased the mouse. Passive, the mouse was chased by the cat. This is the entire secret. The position of the actor and the receiver shifts, and the verb always takes its V3 form. See how simple that is. Once you know the formula, changing the voice takes seconds. Now, let's test your understanding. I am writing an active sentence on the board. The boy kicked the ball. Using the 3 steps which we learned today, convert the sentence into passive voice and drop your answers in the comments below. I will personally check your submissions. Make sure to subscribe to Clearspeak Lab to get our upcoming basic grammar conceptual series. Like this video if it helped clear your doubts, and I will see you in the next class. Goodbye.